afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeremy. I am from Kids Public Speaking, Bangsa South. Today, I'm 6 years old. I am pleased to share this speech with you. If I was a superhero, I would definitely fly, arms stretched out, raising birds to the sky. If I was a superhero, I would have magical special powers like extra strong legs for jumping over towers. If I was a superhero, I would save the oceans with my secret and magical potion. If I was a superhero, I'll save all the trees, the mountains, and the river. If I was a superhero, I will help the poor, give them food, make them hungry no more. If I was a superhero, I'm sure you will agree. The world is better because of me. Thank you.